Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shane's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again you guys for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Merry Cookmas Day 15, moving right along, chugging right along. Thank you guys so much for joining me for Cookmas, where I'm giving you guys daily videos for the holiday season throughout this month of December. For today's recipe, I'm going to go ahead and make a spectacular dip, otherwise known as crack dip. This has also been called $1 million dip or Neiman Marcus dip. Whatever you call it, this is a dip that you're surely going to fall in love with. I guarantee it. All the flavors in here are wonderful. It's not too many ingredients. It's quick and easy, and I'm sure you guys are going to enjoy it. So hopefully you guys are ready for today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified every time I drop a new video, especially during Cookmas. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright you guys, so here is the cracked dip. I'm sure you guys will enjoy this recipe just as much as I did. Everything tastes wonderful, especially with the pita chips. I think those are my new favorites. I added some everything pita chips and it tasted fantastic with the dip. Hopefully you guys did enjoy today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you've had this cracked dip before. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you aren't subscribed to the channel, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified every time I drop a new video, especially during Cookmas. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.